The Ninja BL660 Professional Countertop Blender 1100W through its paces. This is a step up from personal blenders, with more power, more capacity, and broader functionality. Let's dig into what it promises, my hands-on findings, and whether it's worth it for your kitchen. On paper, the BL660 features 1100 peak watts of power, 3 preset functions for frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and a 72-ounce pitcher for large batch blending. It also includes two 16-ounces to-go cups and spout lids so you can blend in single-serve mode when needed. The unit touts its pro-grade blades and versatility to handle heavy tasks like crushing ice or blending thick mixtures. The materials are BPA-free, and many parts are dishwasher safe for cleanup convenience. In actual use, I tested a few scenarios, making 2 to 3 servings of smoothie, banana, berries, greens, ice, frozen drinks, and thicker blends with nut butter added. The results were strong. The motor handled large loads easily, blending consistently smooth textures without needing to stop or stir mid-process. The preset frozen drink mode did a good job with crushed ice, giving a slushy consistency. The pitcher size allowed making multiple servings at once, which is great for families or batch prepping. The inclusion of to-go cups is a thoughtful bonus. Instead of filling the big pitcher for just one serving, you can use the personal cups directly. Cleanup was manageable. Dump, rinse, and, for the pitcher and cups, place in the dishwasher. Some downsides: the larger motor is louder under load. When doing heavy blends, lots of ice or tough produce, there's noticeable vibration, though within acceptable range. Also, because it's a blender with a large pitcher, it's bulkier and takes up counter space. The to-go cups are relatively small. They are useful, but you rely on the pitcher for anything beyond one serving. Another caveat: while the presets help, there's still some guesswork for timing or blending duration for certain ingredients, e.g. tricky greens. Users also mention wear over long use, seals, gaskets, late sharpness over time. If you want a more powerful, full-capacity blender that still supports personal servings, the Ninja BL660 is a solid middle ground. And of course, we share by links in description box so you can check pricing. For its category, I'd rate it 4.5 out of 5, excellent for daily use with flexibility.